Very good morning, my dear students. In previous video, we people have started with your chapter number 5, that is morphology, right? We have discussed that what all we are going to cover in this chapter. That is, we are going to discuss your root, stem, leaves, flowers. Then we are going to discuss your seed. Apart from this, we are having families also. In last video, we have started with your root. Am I clear? What is root? Once again, if I want to define, it is your non-green cylindrical part which descends down in soil for absorption of water and mineral. Am I clear? Then we have discussed function of roots. Yes, number 1 is to absorb water and mineral. Second one, to provide support, or I can say to provide anchorage, right? Then secretion or synthesis of your plant growth regulators, that are nothing but the hormones, and we have also discussed they plays an important role in storage of food which can be used as and when required. Then the people have understood type of root system, your taproot system, your fibrous root system, and your adventitious root system. So dear students, these are the 3 types of your root system. Once again, taproot, in which primary root is long, right, and it is persistent. Persistent in the sense it is long lived, from which there arise either horizontal or oblique secondary root, from which there arises your tertiary root which can go in any direction, right, and from there arises your rootlets. तो ये हो गया आपका tape root as in seen in case of our mustard. Whereas if we are talking about your monocots like wheat, है ना बच्चों, तो in this आपका जो primary root होता है is short lived. It is going to die soon, and this is replaced by many thin thread like structure, you can say, which is I mean by your fibrous root. Okay, and adventitious root का मतलब क्या होता है? Which arises from region other than radicle. Say for example, it may arises from your nodes, your internodes, leaves, or any other part of plant. Example for the same is your grass, I can say. Okay, then is your monstera and many more we are going to see. Banyan, okay, we are going to see later on. In today's video, we are going to discuss regions of root. What we are going to discuss, बच्चों? Regions of root. As such, we can classify 3 regions of root. Number 1 says zone of meristem. Number 2 says zone of elongation, and number 3 says zone of maturation. Am I clear? So once again I am writing the same 3 regions. सबसे पहले there is zone of meristem. Okay. Second one is your zone of elongation. Zone of elongation. And third one is zone of maturation. Third one is zone of maturation. Am I clear now, dear students? If I want to draw the same, then here I am drawing. Have a look here. This portion I am drawing. चलो मान लीजिए this is your root. ये क्या है बच्चों? आपका root है. Am I clear? Okay. This is your root. चलो, now have a look carefully. This region, this terminal region, say for example this one, this terminal region is your zone of meristem. What is this? This is zone of meristem. The region proximal to this, मतलब ऊपर वाला जो region है, say for example till this region, okay, this is your zone of elongation. ये क्या है आपका? Zone of elongation. Am I clear? And proximal to that मतलब उसके ऊपर वाला जो zone है, उसके ऊपर वाला ये जो zone है, okay, this is what I mean by zone of maturation. What is this? This is your zone of maturation. Okay dear students, I hope you are getting well. Once again देखो यहाँ पे ये आपकी सॉइल है, ये आपका सीड है, यहां से ये रूट ग्रो किया, तो दिस पोर्शन इज योर मेरिस्टेम. सबसे नीचे जो है उसके ऊपर है वो इलोंगेशन है, एंड उसके ऊपर जो होगा वो क्या होगा आपका मैच्योरेशन. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल पीपल. ठीक है, तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेर इज जोन ऑफ मेरिस्टेम सबसे नीचे, then comes your zone of elongation, proximal to that is zone of maturation. Am I clear? Okay, now dear students, one by one we are going to understand the same in detail. One point that you people have to memorize, that ये जो आपका zone of meristem है, or you can say it as your root tip, है ना. ये जो root tip है, this root tip is covered by, can you see this? It is covered by your thimble shape, or you can say it as your cup shape. This is your root cap. ये क्या है बच्चों? Root cap है. Am I clear? Are you getting my point? ये zone of meristem मतलब root tip जो है, this root tip is covered by a thimble shape or cup shaped structure which is called as your root cap. Okay, so first over here we are going to discuss your root cap. जैसे मैंने आप सभी को बोला, रूट कैप का शेप कैसा होता है? इट इज थिम्बल शेप. थिम्बल शेप का मतलब होता है ग्लास लाइक. इट कैन बी लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. ठीक है, दिस इज योर रूट कैप. And can you see this? This is your zone of meristem. Are you getting my point? So it can be thimble shape or it can be cup shape. ठीक है? It is your multicellular. It is your multicellular parenchymatous cell. Now, dear students, parenchymatous cells, parenchyma tissue is your simple tissue, and this you people have understood in lower classes. However, we are going to understand the same in your next chapter, that is your anatomy. That is your anatomy. Okay, so once again, this is your root cap. It is thimble shape or cup shape multicellular parenchymatous cell. Okay, कौन से सेल से बनी है ये? तो parenchymatous cell. Simple as that. Okay, now if I want to say functions of this root cap, तो point number 1, ये जो root cap है, right, it is going to secrete mucilage, a kind of sticky substance, and this mucilage, this sticky substance act as a lubricant. Act as a lubricant. Am I clear? Which makes passage of root within the soil. जो क्या करता है? Which makes, है ना, passage of root within the soil. Within the soil. Am I clear? Okay, तो पहला फंक्शन मैंने आपको बोला, वो क्या सिक्रीट करता है बच्चों? Mucilage. Mucilage act as a lubricant. It is the passage of root through soil. Am I clear? Roots are going to grow within the soil. Yes or no? And you very well know that ये जो soil है is densely packed. So root has to make way. Yes or no? Yes. वो जगह कैसे बनाएगा soil में? By means of this root cap, which secretes lubricant substance called as mucilage. Am I clear? Okay. Now apart from this, the cells of root cap have starch grain. They are also having starch grain, a source of energy, right? Carbohydrate. Starch grain भी root caps के cells में present होती है. Apart from this, the another function of root cap is protection. किसका protection? आपका? No. किसका कवरिंग है? देखो ये जोन ऑफ मेरिस्टेम का. यस, सो दिस प्रोवाइड्स प्रोटेक्शन टू रूट मेरिस्टेम. It provide protection to root meristem. Okay, am I clear? So these are the functions of your root cap. Okay, dear students, protection in the sense what? To whom it protects. Okay, now dear students, we very well know that root has to make passage within the soil. Yes, so there is possibility that there occur friction हो सकता है between your roots and your soil particle. Are you getting my point? चलो, say for example, these are your soil particles. Yes or no? Soil के particles है ये बच्चों. Yes. Now say for example, this is your root making passage like this. This is your root making passage like this. So there is possibility that your soil and root के बीच क्या हो? फ्रिक्शन हो. फ्रिक्शन which results in damage. Which results in damage. Yes or no? Yes. तो ये डैमेज ना हो, इसका ध्यान कौन रखता है? Your root cap. It provides protection to root stem. Am I clear? So to root meristem, I can say. Am I clear? So I hope you understood this portion very well. So dear students, these are the functions of your root cap. Okay. Now, if I am talking about aquatic plants, if I am talking about your aquatic plants, say for example, if I am talking about your lamina, okay, your pistia, okay, your acornia, these all are the aquatic plant. अब aquatic plant का मतलब क्या होता है? The plant which grows in your water. Yes. So dear students, in aquatic plant there is a structure called as root pockets. क्या present होता है? Root pockets who are structurally similar to root cap. Structurally similar to root cap. Am I clear? And the function of the same is they are going to act as balancer. They plays an important role in balancing plant body. So they are going to act as balancer. Am I clear? Okay. So this is what about your root cap and root pockets in case of your aquatic plants. I hope this is very clear to your people. Root cap क्या होता है? वापस से एक बार, it is a covering of root meristem. क्या function होता है? It secretes mucilage. It is having starch grain. Third, it provides protection to root meristem. Simple as that. This root cap in aquatic plant is called as root pocket, जहां पे this act as balancer. यहाँ पे इसका काम क्या होता है? Balancing of plant body. So here it act as balancer. Am I clear? Okay. चलो, अब ये root cap हो गई. उसके ऊपर कौन सा जोन है? As you can see in the picture. So second one I am writing is your zone of meristem. Second one is your zone of meristem. Now dear student, what do you understand by the term meristem? Meristem का मतलब होता क्या है? Meristem is nothing but this meristem, इसका मतलब होता है actively dividing cell. Are you getting my point? जो undifferentiated cell होते हैं, who is having property of cell division, this cells forms meristem. This cells forms meristem. तो dear students, ये जो zone है, that is your zone of meristem. यहाँ के जो cells होते हैं, right? These cells are thin-walled. Okay, these cells are thin-walled and they are having dense protoplasm. They are having dense protoplasm. Okay, and it keeps on adding cell. It keeps on adding new cells. तो ये हो गया बच्चों आपका zone of meristem. Simple है? Yes. Then comes your third one. उसके ऊपर देखो क्या है आपका? Zone of elongation. Yes or no? As the name suggests, ये जो zones होंगे उसमें कौन से cells होंगे? Newly formed and this newly formed cell, here I am writing, loses property of cell division. Loses property of cell division. Are you getting my point? Yes or no? So dear students, यहाँ पे cells नए बने. Now that cells are going here only. तो यहाँ पे जो cells होंगे, these cells are newly formed cells and they do not have property of cell division. Okay, these cells are going to elongate. These cells are going to elongate. मतलब it enlarge, it elongates, it increases in length. Here they are responsible for, I can say, lengthwise growth. Lengthwise growth. Am I clear? Okay. Then comes your fourth one I am writing here. Okay. Then comes your zone of maturation. As the name suggests, here आपके जो cells होंगे, they are going to mature in the sense they are going to differentiate. Some of your cell, है ना, functions as xylem, some of them functions as phloem, some of them functions as your pericycle, some of them functions as your cortex, and many more. Okay, so here they undergo differentiation. What does differentiation mean? Differentiation का मतलब होता है, I can say it's a kind of division of labor. कुछ सेल्स इकट्ठे होके ये काम परफॉर्म करे, से फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट का काम परफॉर्म करे तो दैट इज जाइलम. कुछ सेल्स, राइट, दे ट्रांसपोर्ट फूड तो दैट इज योर फ्लोएम एंड सो ऑन. एम आई क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे जो सेल्स होते हैं, these cells differentiates to form different organs of plant. They differentiate to form different organs of plant. Am I clear? Okay. And from this region, there arises root hair, which increases surface area for water absorption. Which increases surface area for water absorption. Are you getting my point? So here I am drawing your root hairs. Can you see this? This is your root hair. Okay, and this root hair are thin thread-like structure which arises from meristem. Which arises from epidermal region. Okay, here it arises from कौन से region? From epidermis. What is epidermis? Epidermis is nothing but your outermost layer. It is nothing but your outermost layer. And what is the function of this? What is the function of this? What is the function of this root hair? Yes, आप मुझे बोलो. The function of root hair is to increase surface area for absorption. चलो, am I clear? Any doubts you people are having? So dear students, these are the region of roots and I hope this is very clear to your people. सबसे पहले root cap, zone of meristem, यहाँ पे actively divide cells होते हैं which forms new cells. These new cells loses capacity of cell division, comes in zone of elongation where they elongate. They are responsible for lengthwise growth. Okay. Now these cells undergo division of labor. In the sense it undergo a process called as differentiation, maturation, in which they group to form different parts, different organs of plant. Okay. And ये अच्छे से याद रखना है, from root, from region of maturation, there arises your root hair. Okay. So dear students, this is your region of roots. I hope the theory is very clear to all people. Thank you very much.